Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Ramona Lumpkin, and I'm Interim President and Vice Chancellor at Mount St. Vincent University. This past February, the Mount had the honor of installing our sixth Chancellor, Dr. Margaret Mary Fitzpatrick, Congregational Leader of the Sisters of Charity, Halifax. Though the installation ceremony looked a little different, we were so thankful Dr. Fitzpatrick could come to campus for this special event and that we're able to share her installation with the Mount community virtually. Throughout her career, Dr. Fitzpatrick has demonstrated a particular focus on social responsibility in post-secondary education, as well as a strong commitment to student success, and both of those make her a superb fit for the Mount. You'll hear more about Dr. Fitzpatrick and her many accomplishments soon. On behalf of everyone at the Mount, I'd like to extend our sincere thanks to outgoing Chancellor Sister Joan O'Keefe, who won our hearts for her service to the university community over the past 6 years. Thank you, Sister Joan. Now let's watch as Dr. Fitzpatrick is installed as Chancellor of Mount St. Vincent University.
We are delighted to be officially welcoming Dr. Margaret Mary Fitzpatrick of the Sisters of Charity to the Mount family today. The Board of Governors specifically, and the Mount community broadly, will benefit greatly from her deep passion for and extensive leadership in higher education. Dr. Fitzpatrick was elected Congregational Leader of the Sisters of Charity, Halifax, in October of 2020. In that role, she also serves as Chancellor of the Mount and a member of the Board of Governors. Dr. Fitzpatrick served as President of St. Thomas Aquinas College in New York for 25 years, during which time she became a recognized leader in higher education across the United States for her ability to find strategic ways to adapt to a rapidly changing time. She retired from the role of president in June of 2020, however, remains a tenured faculty member in the fields of education, mathematics, science, and religion. Born in Brooklyn and raised in Massachusetts, Dr. Fitzpatrick holds a Bachelor of Science in Mathematics, a Master of Arts in Religious Studies, a Master of Education, and a doctorate in higher education from Columbia University. Her dissertation, entitled Orientation for Social Responsibility, explored the idea of higher education as a means to serve society. As a member of the Sisters of Charity, she has devoted her life to serving the world through education. It gives me great pleasure to present to you Dr. Mary Margaret Fitzpatrick, a Sister of Charity, for the investiture as Chancellor at Mount St. Vincent University. Do you, Dr. Margaret Mary Fitzpatrick, pledge yourself to perform the duties of the Chancellor of Mount St. Vincent University, and do you promise to defend the rights and to promote the welfare of the university and members thereof?
I will endeavor to do this with the help of God.
By virtue of the authority vested in me, I duly install Dr. Margaret Mary Fitzpatrick as Chancellor of Mount St. Vincent University with all the rights and responsibilities pertaining to that role. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations, and I would now like to invite our new Chancellor to the podium to say a few words.
It is my honor to be the Chancellor of Mount St. Vincent University. I have always been engaged as a member of the academic community in higher education, and it does my heart good to be able to continue this engagement with you as the Chancellor. I am pledged to you that I will foster the mission of Mount St. Vincent University and do everything I can to promote its mission with our students, through the faculty, and its administration. We are so fortunate to be part of this academic community, and let us do our best to live up to its mission. I will. And I pledge to you that I will be a listener and I will act on your behalf. Thank you very much for this unbelievable opportunity and this honor. And I hope to see you and be able to shake your hand in the near future. Thank you, and let us bless God for the opportunities that we are given.
Congratulations, Dr. Fitzpatrick, and welcome to the Mount family. We look forward to working closely with Dr. Fitzpatrick, and we're hopeful that as pandemic restrictions ease in the coming months, there will be opportunities for the Mount community to meet with Dr. Fitzpatrick in person. As a university deeply rooted in a commitment to fostering stronger societies through enhanced access to education, we will no doubt benefit from Dr. Fitzpatrick's rich experience in higher education in the years to come.